What happens at a Social Security disability hearing? You will eventually be called to appear at a hearing before an administrative law judge or ALJ if you appeal your denial. The Social Security disability hearing is your opportunity to state your case. It is likely that you may have some questions about what will take place at the hearing and may even feel anxious. The following will help you understand what to expect. Where will the hearing take place? The hearing will not be held in a courtroom. Rather, it will probably take place in a conference room around a table. While the ALJ will preside over the hearing, the purpose is not to put you on trial. The judge's job is simply to listen to you and others who are present and render a decision. Who will be present and why? Aside from you and the ALJ, your lawyer will be present, along with a court reporter whose job it is to record the proceedings, and possibly a medical expert and a vocational expert. The judge will usually call a medical expert to testify if there's some questions about your medical records, such as that you have multiple conditions or they seem contradictory. A vocational expert may be called to determine whether your impairment prevents you from working your past job, or whether you have acquired new skills that can be used in a new, less demanding job. What will happen at the hearing? When you enter the room, the court reporter will swear you in, and you will be asked to take a seat. Your lawyer will sit beside you. The judge may ask you questions about previous jobs you have held and your impairment. The judge will then question any expert witnesses who are present. The entire process will be brief, between 15 minutes and an hour. It is important that you make a good impression by dressing neatly, being on time, and being respectful to the judge. Above all, it is imperative that you be honest with your answers. Don't exaggerate, but don't minimize your limitations either. Don't expect the judge to render a decision at the end of the hearing. You may need to wait a few weeks.